Okay, so let us start now. Very good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, Harji, would you like to share the screen so that I just want to see your resume and we'll move forward. Today, I wanted to show you again LinkedIn and digital resumes, like how to optimize LinkedIn profile, also adding digital portfolios and projects, and how we can do hands-on profile and resume updates on LinkedIn. Okay, can you share the screen? Show me your resume. I want to check your resume. Okay, share the screen. Yes. Okay, surely I'll show you the resume format. It will be helpful for you to understand how to prepare a resume. Give me 2 minutes. 2 minutes. I do have very good formats. It will help you to understand. There are few formats which will be helpful for you to understand how a resume should be. And I am also going to show you few different details which will help you to define a resume as well. Wait 2 minutes. Huh? I'm sharing. Internship, you can find a UI internship in your LMS folder. You can go and search for internship on UI internship folder over there. Yes, I'm sharing the screen now. Okay, so here I have few resumes I would like to show you. See, this is the name of a person, a photograph, email ID and everything. LinkedIn ID is also given. Skills mentioned over here. Summary. Okay, so you can put down the summary. Professional experience as well. So you can mention that, and all the details are given here. Professional experience you have mentioned. Okay, so these are the things which are really necessary for you to have in a resume. Also, internship, so market research intern, and so see everything. So SSC, HSC, BTech, MBA. So by the recent degree will come on the top and like that. Okay. So इस तरह से आप बनाइए. One page resume is okay. See, everything is mentioned. Even like last time also I have shown you this resume. Okay, so your recent passport size photo, name of a person, then contact details, skills and competencies, achievements and certificates, and even the interest you need to put over here and mention the details as per the requirement of an organization. So what you can do is that you can mention and define the details practically. Okay, if in case any doubt, you can ask me. Yeah. Also, these are the resume formats. Please make sure that you prepare a proper one. This is the proper resume. I want you to have this one, which will help you to understand how a resume should be prepared. Yeah. If in case any doubt you have, you can please ask me. Okay. This one also as well. Okay. Like this, we can define. So career objective we need to mention over here. Okay, if in case any doubt, you can please ask me. So make sure that you have a proper resume format like this, which will help you to prepare a one. Hmm. Yeah, achievements, education, and all the other details you should mention in a practical manner. Okay, education, achievement, and the experience of a company, practical experience, and even the other details like skill set, career objective. Please mention that one. Okay. Yeah, these are the three, four resume formats I've shown you. This particularly this one is the best. The photograph and other details are over here, and make sure that you prepare one like this. Okay. Now then, please understand. Apart from this, now. Hmm. Okay. So see, so this particular thing I wanted to show you using LinkedIn and digital resumes. So this is important for you. Okay. Now facts about LinkedIn and digital resumes. So what exactly we mean by that? LinkedIn acts as a digital resume, allowing recruiters to find and access candidates based on the skills, experience, and endorsements. A well optimized LinkedIn profile increases job opportunities as many employers use keywords based searches to identify potential hires mainly. Then please understand why LinkedIn optimization matters, because 94% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find candidates. Then a complete profile gets 40 times more opportunities. LinkedIn is a digital resume and networking tool in one. Okay, so this is very important. Choosing the right profile picture and banner, very important one. Also, so crafting a compelling headline, then writing an engaging about section, then key steps. These are the key steps you need to understand. Okay, so one by one we are going to see the details. Now, how are we going to optimize your LinkedIn presence? First of all, professional recognition, make the best of the background photograph, everything you are aware about it, and both of you must be having a LinkedIn profile as well. Also, make sure these things are there. Take a screenshot. Professional recognition, make the best of the background photo, be smart with your profile headline, that is very much important. Write a helpful profile summary which will help you to get the job opportunity. Then show off your education and skills, add licenses and certifications, then utilize the features section which is also featured section, which is also important. Then share useful commentary, personal brand enhancement, very important one. Optimize your LinkedIn profile, a vanity URL, describe your experience section comprehensively, then collect, ask for request recommendations, regularly post and share relevant contents. Okay, so professional recognition, you can mention that. So understand, looking for opportunities, hardworking professional. Okay, so here you can mention the specific details. Just example, data analyst, SQL, Python, Tableau, driving data driven decisions. Okay, so here you can mention like this one, SaaS and B2B conversion copywriter, LinkedIn profile writer, and execution LinkedIn profiles, executive LinkedIn profiles. Make sure you have this one. Now showcasing work samples, certifications, and achievements, very important one. So this is the one. These are the things which are really important and matters much to you. Okay. So likewise, see. Okay. So you can showcase work samples, certifications, and achievements as well. Understood, everyone? Make sure you have that, which will help you to understand the details. Then highlight expertise, pin key post, articles or project links to showcase your best work. Then increase engagement, use visuals like images, videos, or PDFs to attract attention. Then also what you can do is that you can build credibility, display certifications, testimonials, or case studies to reinforce your skills. Maximize sales with LinkedIn features section. So three featured structure, ebook free resource, lead generation structure, single offer, book a call, featured section, which is very, very important for us to define. Then, how we call it as a weak profile and a strong profile. See, no portfolio links, generic job descriptions, but a strong profile has a featured section, which is very important, with the key projects, include work samples, links, and videos. So, what you need to do is that you need to mention all the details practically so that it will be helpful for you to understand. Then now, integrating external links and digital resumes include links to personal websites, one portfolios or digital resumes on your LinkedIn profile to make it easier for recruiters and connections to access your work and credentials. Then, common LinkedIn and resume mistakes. So there are several common mistakes which we are doing while preparing a resume. Avoid these common LinkedIn mistakes. What are those? Social media. So what you can do, maximize your professional presence on LinkedIn profile. Okay, so make sure that you avoid these one. For example, see unoptimized profile, which is optimized one. Looking for job opportunity, it's a generic one. No about section, but marketing specialist. So it is specialized one. Compelling summary with the skill set. So be specific, which is very much important for you to define and maintain practically as well. Okay, yeah, yes. Give it 2 minutes. Huh? Yeah, ma'am. It is valid for SAP material management as well. It is valid for both. It's a important part for both. Pooja, ma'am, am I audible to you? It is valid for both. So what you can do is that you can make sure this is applicable for both. Yeah. Okay. So you can optimize your profile. We are discussing about LinkedIn profile. So it will be very helpful for you to have one. Also, you can optimize your LinkedIn with a clear headline, summary, and skills. Showcase work with the digital portfolio and and regularly. Okay, you can mention that. Yeah, give me 2 minutes. Huh? Give me 2 minutes. Yeah, so what we can do, ma'am, this is the general one. So what you can do is that you can prepare a profile on LinkedIn. I'll help you. Ma'am, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Are you there? I think you're on mute. Pooja, ma'am. So here, ma'am, you can optimize your LinkedIn with a clear headline, summary, and skill. Then showcase work with a digital portfolio. Regularly update your LinkedIn to attract recruiters. That is very much important. Then, see, these are the details only you need to define and mention. मैम आपका रिज्यूमे दिखा हो ना मुझे या it's okay. It is not about specific course. This particular thing is a generic one. So we have discussed about how to prepare a LinkedIn course. We can avoid these common mistakes, and this is very much important. Pooja ma'am, you can please share your resume. I would like to see how did you prepare. And Harsh sir, आप भी दिखाओ आपका resume. It's okay. I will guide you. No problem. Because these are the resumes which I have already discussed about you. Only one page, and these are the things which are necessary for you to define and maintain practically as well. Yes. Pooja ma'am, you also please share the screen, show me your resume. I'll guide you. Sir, the background should be this one, bright one. It's a dark one. So you please put a background, bright background. That is important. Harji, please put a bright background. That is important. Okay. Otherwise, the resume is fine. ओके या आपका रिज्यूमे बहुत सही है सर, इट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन, बट बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा ना ये कीजिए, ब्राइट कीजिए, अदरवाइज वो दिखेगा नहीं वहां पे। ठीक है, चलो, सो विल स्टॉप हियर फॉर टुडे एंड इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर विल सी द अदर डिटेल्स एज वेल। या ओके, थैंक यू।